The biggest mistake I made while learning hard stuff was that I always will stuck in some problem and will not move forward until I solve it. So if I'm taking a course, it has multiple lesson. In fourth lesson, I got stuck on some equation or some formula. I would never move forward, and that was one of the biggest mistake I'll say. So problem is that I will just dig down and if solve it. If I require prerequisites, I'll just go back and do my research until it is finished. I'll not move forward. And this might sound an intuitive way or the easy way to do it or simple way to do it. I know a lot of people keep doing that, but it is a very bad thing, which I realized quite late in my life. I understood it even you were stuck somewhere. Just try to learn the next part. Sometime, as Steve Jobs says, like some dots are connected looking back, so you have to move forward, and then it will make sense why you are not able to understand. Even though I teach data science, deep learning, quantum computing, few of the stuff I learn while teaching, which I don't understood back then. So it's always a process, right? So never stuck on a point. I remember I got stuck in microprocessor when I was studying about microprocessors back then, and I didn't know how this print function work, what happen inside the code, and how the display turns into some print functions or something like this. So I never understood abstraction. So I left learning programming at that time. I paused my other stuff. I just doubled down on my learning how microprocessor, how every bit control unit work, how with NAND gates you can build a lot of things. So I just went into deep into it until I solved the abstraction. Until then, I became a bad programmer because I was not taking initiative in other areas of my life, and that was bad thing. Same way to a particular subject when I was taking my machine learning famous entry into course. It happens with that. I got stuck somewhere and I'll go back and something like this. But only way I was able to finish it, like some material I didn't understood it well, but I still kept more moving forward. Whatever I could optimize, right? Whatever as far as you can go understanding 20%, 30%, right? So basically you can think understand this as a painting. When we draw a painting, we don't start with a perfect painting from the top and slowly go by like this. No, we don't do that. We start with uh, like drawing the basic sketch painting, then making it darker, then the another layer of color, then some there highlighting and everything, and each iteration will make the painting beautiful. It's not like it will be the half of the painting or one third will be beautiful and then next. So that's how learning should take place. Never get stuck on that one, and try to just go with the flow and learn and come back later if you want to learn more.